In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a product on the PenFed website. Whether you're interested in opening a checking account, applying for a credit card, or securing a loan, I'll guide you through each step to make the process as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the PenFed website. Once there, spend a moment exploring the various financial products they offer. Whether you're looking at a checking account, contemplating a new credit card, or considering a loan, understanding what you're applying for is a crucial first step. Each product often has its own benefits, terms, and requirements. Take your time to review these details to ensure you're making the best choice for your financial needs. After you've decided on the product that aligns with your goals, find the button that says Apply Now or Open Now. If you're specifically looking at a credit card, you may notice a distinct blue Apply Now button available for non-members. Clicking this will direct you to the application page. This is where the real action begins, so make sure you have a comfortable seat and all your necessary information handy. Now it's time to fill out the application. This is the step where you'll input your personal details, so accuracy is key. Typically, you'll need to provide information such as your name, address, social security number, employment information, income, and other relevant details that PenFed will need to process your application. Don't rush through this part. Double-check each entry to avoid any errors that might slow down your application process. If at any point you're unsure about what to enter, look for any helpful tips or explanations that may be provided on the application page, or consider reaching out to PenFed's customer service for clarification. Once you've completed the application, there's one more essential step before you can finalize it. You will be prompted to open a membership account with PenFed, which requires a modest deposit of $5. This is a standard procedure as PenFed is a credit union and becoming a member is part of the application process. This deposit is a security step and will allow you to fully proceed with your chosen product application. Keep in mind, this membership offers you not just the product you've applied for, but access to the full range of PenFed's financial services going forward. And there you have it. You've now completed the process of applying for a product on the PenFed website. Just sit back and wait for their team to review your application. They'll be in touch soon to update you on the status of your application. Remember, patience is key, and if you have any questions, PenFed's customer support is a great resource. We hope this guide has been helpful in making your application process smooth and successful.